Good morning, guys. I'm Jan. Welcome back to the channel. You're at Lakeside of Grateful. So we had a frost last night. So I did my best to protect everything. That's what you've seen me uncovering it, and most of it looks like it did really well. So we should be fine for the extended forecast anyways. So hopefully. So we're gonna head into the greenhouse and see how things are in there. I had my heater running last night just because it got down to 30 degrees and I didn't want to lose everything in here. So it looks like it's doing really well. So there we have some cosmos. Some herbs, some marigolds, cabbage, some basil, and Brussels sprouts. Those are doing really well. Just started some more flowers, sweet williams, zinnias, sunflowers, and some more herbs, thyme and oregano. And there's some celery. I'm having a plant sale May 14th, which is a Saturday, for a lot of this stuff. A lot of it's from my garden, but I grew a lot, as you can see. And these are broccoli right here. These are zinnias, rutabagas. No, this is red cabbage. This row here is rutabagas. And here I have bok choy, some leeks. This is cabbage. This is kale, more zinnias, and then all of my tomato plants, which I'm going to separate today. They're all too bunched together. And back there, some more broccoli. These are doing wonderful. This is kohlrabi. There's fennel I need to transplant. There's some Hungarian yellow waxed hot peppers. These are jalapenos, these top two rows right here. And these are turnips. Onions, Spanish onions. I have plenty in my gardens. I don't have any more room for this, so I'm going to sell this. This is some bok choy. Some more kohlrabi. Some more zinnias. Down here is a mixture of things, some Swiss chard, some more onions, tomato plant, zinnias. These are Italian peppers. And down here I have sweet potatoes going. I've kept them in here because I started these slips way too early. Well, they were supposed to take a lot longer than what they did. I had really good success. Then I had them in a jar of water forever, and I thought, well, I'll plant them out here where it's warm. They're starting to come back. This is a new leaf right here. I wasn't there before. They look kind of bad, but they're doing okay. And down there is some of my lettuce for sale. Spinach, more onions. Those are candy hybrid onions. These, I'm going to transplant today. These are container blueberry bushes. They're called top hat. They're made specifically for containers, and I'm going to pot them up, and this is going to be wonderful. It's a game changer for me because I love blueberries, but I don't really want to have the space. I like the yard too. I don't want to take up the space, but containers work perfectly for us. And then here's some radishes I brought in the greenhouse because of how cold it was getting. So they'll have to be in here again tonight, but I'll stick them out here in a little bit when the sun gets high in the sky. These are some more zinnias. I think we went over that little tomato plant. But anyway, so that's pretty much a tour of the greenhouse. I do have some things planted, but like just onions and some peas that are coming up. We'll get into a garden tour better once I actually start planting, which should be probably this week, if not first of next week. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.